Welcome to Future Forward, the podcast that brings you the cutting edge of innovation and its impact on your world. I'm Dr. Ekpo Otu, your host. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's reshaping careers and industries globally: artificial intelligence. With me is Dr. Sophia Martinez, a renowned science communicator who will help us demystify the skills that are quickly becoming essential. Sophia, thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Dr. Otu. It's a pleasure to be here. The conversation around AI often feels intimidating, but what we're witnessing is a monumental shift. The latest insights suggest that in the next year, the top earners won't necessarily be traditional programmers, marketers, or even salespeople. They will be what we call AI power users. People who know how to effectively wield AI tools will gain a significant advantage. And surprisingly, many of these skills don't require deep technical knowledge.
That's quite a statement. So, for our listeners who might be feeling a bit of anxiety about this technological shift, what does this mean for them? Are we talking about a complete overhaul of everyone's job descriptions? Or is it more about enhancing existing roles with AI capabilities?
It's definitely more about enhancement and adaptation. Think of AI as your new, incredibly powerful assistant. The key is learning how to communicate with it, direct it, and integrate its capabilities into your daily tasks. It's about leveraging AI to amplify your human skills. We've identified 9 high-income AI skills that anyone, regardless of their technical background, can learn and master. These aren't just about using a chatbot. They're about understanding the blueprint to AI domination, if you will. And we're going to break down some of the most accessible and impactful ones today.
That sounds incredibly empowering. Let's jump right into the first skill. What's at the foundation of becoming an AI power user?
At the absolute core is prompt engineering. This is the art and science of crafting effective instructions for AI systems. Imagine AI as a brilliant but literal-minded intern. If you don't tell it exactly what you need, you'll get generic or even useless results. This skill alone can command $50 to $100 an hour because communicating with AI has become as valuable as coding was in the early 2000s. There's a simple principle: garbage in, garbage out. You need to be precise.
So it's not just about typing, "Create me a marketing plan." How do we get better at it?
Exactly. It's about structure. Here's a quick lesson on the 4 pillars of great prompting. First, define the role. Tell the AI who to act as: a marketer, a designer, even a lawyer. This gives it the right lens to process information. Second, provide the data. Give it examples of what great data looks like or relevant background information. The more context, the better. Third, make the ask. Be incredibly clear and specific about what you want, and avoid vague language. Fourth, request a format. Do you want bullet points, a summary, a PDF, an image, a spreadsheet? If you don't specify, it'll just give you raw text, which might not be what you need. So what's the key? Define the role, provide the data, make the ask, and request the format for optimal AI output.
That's a fantastic breakdown, Sophia. It truly highlights the importance of clarity. Now, beyond just talking to AI, what about creating with it? Could a non-technical person actually develop software?
Absolutely. That brings us to AI-assisted software development, a skill commanding $100 to $200 an hour. Most people don't realize that building custom software today can be done by non-technical people. Tools like Cursor, Replit, and Retool allow you to essentially talk to the software, and it writes the heavy lifting code for you. So you bring the crazy ideas, and AI handles the technical execution. This dramatically lowers the barrier to innovation. Similarly, AI design, also at $100 to $200 an hour, is no longer about your manual ability. It's about the creativity of your ideas. With generative image AI tools, you can create photorealistic images just by describing them. From logos to supercar key designs, AI is now your ultimate creative partner.
So the focus has truly shifted from technical prowess to imagination and problem solving. This opens up incredible avenues for individuals who might have felt excluded from the tech world before.
Precisely. And it's not just about generating new images. AI photo editing tools like Photoshop AI and Topaz AI can restore old, low-resolution photos, upscale them, and make them look brand new, all with just a few clicks. If I, a science communicator, can figure this out, anyone can. And AI web design is equally transformative. You can use AI to not only design websites, but also to code them, converting your visual concepts into clean, responsive code almost instantly. This means you can deliver professional websites for a fraction of the time and cost, keeping more of the value yourself.
That's incredible. The speed at which these tools are evolving is just mind-boggling. Now, for those interested in multimedia, how is AI transforming video production and editing?
Video editing is another skill where AI is making monumental strides, again in the $100 to $200 per hour range. Historically, video was about 80% technical skill and 20% creative decisions. Now, AI handles most of the technical heavy lifting, freeing you up for the creative aspects. My team, for instance, used to spend hundreds of hours manually cutting silence, fixing audio, and sifting through footage. With AI, it's instant. The first key skill here is clipping. Every content creator needs someone to identify the best moments from long-form video and repurpose them into short, engaging clips for social media platforms. Tools like Firecut and Opus Clip automate this, making it simple to remove silences, create dynamic captions, and optimize for different platforms.
So even a 12-year-old can become a video editor now?
Funnily enough, yes. My 12-year-old son actually gets paid to clip content for other people's YouTube channels. That's how accessible it's become. The second skill is generative video. Imagine creating an AI avatar that looks and sounds like you from a few sample videos. Companies like Vidyard and Synthesia make this possible, enabling you to generate video content without ever recording a single frame. You write the script, the AI speaks it. This is a game changer for entrepreneurs who need to be omnipresent online without spending hours in front of a camera. The third skill is B-roll search. AI can now search vast libraries for contextually relevant B-roll footage or even generate realistic video scenarios to seamlessly integrate into your content. This elevates production quality and saves immense time.
That's truly groundbreaking for content creators. Moving on to the written word, how is AI impacting writing and content marketing?
AI writing is another high-income skill, earning $100 to $200 an hour. The most valuable business skill isn't just writing words, it's communicating ideas. My writing team, for example, uses AI to take my video transcripts from coaching calls and conversations. They then use AI to extract stories, lessons, and quotes. This is skill number 1, extraction. It allows you to transform long-form content into bite-sized, valuable modules. Skill number 2 is ideation. You feed AI your best-performing content, and it generates new ideas and variations that are statistically likely to go viral, based on past success. And finally, skill number 3 is creation. This is where you leverage a custom AI model, a custom GPT, trained on your specific tone of voice and writing style. It writes content just like you would, ensuring authenticity. This way, you're not just having a robot write for you, you're maintaining your unique voice while rapidly increasing output.
So it's like having a team of ghostwriters that perfectly capture your essence. How does this connect to content marketing?
It leads directly into AI content marketing, earning $200 to $300 an hour. This is about building an AI-powered content creation engine, similar to what Arnold Schwarzenegger uses for his hugely successful Arnold's Pump Club. He's never recorded a podcast. His team uses AI to generate newsletter content, voice clones for podcasts, and manages the entire content ecosystem. For a business, this means defining the outcome. Is it a podcast, a newsletter, a premium app? Then you create the content, stacking all the AI skills we just discussed to generate diverse content. And finally, you repurpose that content. You take that 1-hour podcast, have AI pull clips for social media, extract articles, and publish it everywhere. Your customer becomes an omnipresent force in their industry, driving credit and referrals back to you. This is how you get paid top dollar by becoming an AI-driven content marketing powerhouse.
That's an incredible strategy for scalability. Now, let's talk about efficiency. How does AI play a role in automation and data analysis?
This leads us to no-code AI automation, a highly lucrative skill at $300 to $400 an hour. Many businesses waste enormous amounts of time, money, and resources on inefficient workflows. By mapping out a business's processes, you can identify bottlenecks and implement AI-driven automations. Our media company, for example, streamlined 15 onboarding tasks down to just one using AI automation. Tools like Make.com, N8N, and Zapier allow you to integrate AI into existing workflows, generating significant savings and profits. The focus here is always on cash flow, automating tasks that directly save or generate money for clients. It's about literally 10xing their output. Then there's AI data analysis, another $300 to $400 an hour skill. Amazon, for example, runs entirely on data-backed decisions. Every business, big or small, needs to leverage big data analysis or risk falling behind. In fact, one of the companies I'm involved with, Lomi, a smart food composter, used AI to analyze their customer data and found that customers in states with garbage disposal fees purchased at a significantly higher rate. AI provided that key insight, allowing them to optimize ad targeting and boost sales. And finally, the highest paid skill at $400 to $500 an hour is no-code AI agent development. This is about building AI agents, or AI buddies, that sit within a workflow and perform specific jobs automatically, 24/7, without complaints or vacations. These agents will replace manual roles. If you don't use AI to replace yourself, you will be replaced. You need to be the person who builds these intelligent agents.
That's a powerful message, Sophia. The future is here, and it's clear that adapting to AI is not just an option, but a necessity for growth. Thank you for this insightful discussion, Dr. Sophia Martinez.
My pleasure, Dr. O2. Embrace AI and embrace the future.